VC Gearheads. Rev up your engines for the VC Classic and Custom Car Show. See hundreds of radical hot rods, including 3 Carat Diamond, Lowrider Magazine's 3-time Traditional Custom Car of the Year award winner. Meet custom car legends Gene Winfield, John D'Agostino, and our special guest of honor, NHRA Nitro Funny Car driver Don the Snake Prudhomme. Check out the rockin' stage at the Beer Gardens and experience the awesome power of Nitro Dragsters and Jet Funny Cars when they fire up for 2 nights of fuel and fire. It's Cars, Stars, and Guitars this weekend at the Trade X, presented by Lucas Oil Canada. Be there, be there, be there.